Ons staan hier binne in die Nerenberg Messe. Nou messe in Afrikaans beteken skougronde. Nerenberg Messe bied elke jaar die IWA skou aan. En die IWA skou bestaan al vir meer as 40 jaar. Hierdie jaar is 'n besonderse groot skou met die meeste nog ooit uitstallers, naamlik 1400, en hierdie is die brosjure. Kyk hoe dik is hy. 700 bladsye van uitstallers wat elke saal 9 sale vol pak met hulle nuwe produkte, ou verbeterde produkte en produkte waarvan ons nie eers weet nie. Wildland gaan deur die skou loop en ons gaan na hierdie produkte kyk en terug verslag doen in toekomstige uitgawes van Wildland.
This is our new rifle scope, the DS Digital Sight 5-25 by 52. It's a rifle scope with a digital intelligence, which means it measures the distance, but also the shooting angle, the air pressure and the temperature. All these data will be considered for an automatic aiming point inside the scope, which will be displayed in the field of view. Also, you can individualize this rifle scope by plug in your personal trajectory via smartphone. So you have to connect or pair your smartphone via Bluetooth with the DS, and you can transfer your personal ballistic trajectory. Altogether, it will work up to more than 1,000 meters. Including the ballistic, the distance will be measured up to 1,300 meters. This is our new BTX. It's first time binocular ocular combined with a monocular telescope. So it's really a new enjoy of viewing comfort due to the binocular viewing. You really can dive into the image and you see more like 3D effect, and you see every detail even on long distances. Combined with this forehand assistant and also the new tripod head, you can observe over long distances even for hours and hours. It doesn't make you tired, but again it's also a product we have to look through. It's really, a view through this device tells more than 1,000 words.
Na 4 dae is die skou verby. Ons is moeg geloop. Ons was nie by al 1400 uitstallers nie, want dit is onmoontlik om elkeen te besoek. Maar ons het baie interessante produkte gesien. En ons gaan hierdie goed vir julle wys. Hou ons YouTube kanaal dop, ons Facebook kanaal en natuurlik dan ook Wildland tydskrif. Wildland is altyd eerste vir die agter.